Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag's ASP.NET C# tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to use password strength using AJAX Control Toolkit in ASP.NET C# application. What is the AJAX Control Toolkit? The AJAX Control Toolkit is a free open source toolkit for the building ASP.NET application that provides a rich set of controls for adding AJAX functionality to your web pages. It is a build on top of the ASP.NET AJAX framework and make it easy to add dynamic interactive features to your web pages without requiring a lots of client-side code. So here we will use AJAX toolkit for the password strength check. Let me create a website. Open your Visual Studio, go to the files, go to the new and create your website. Give the name password strength strength AJAX Control Toolkit. I'm giving the name for this. So here in Solution Explorer, you will be able to see this one. So there is a web config file, and we don't have any SPX file till now. So right click on the AJAX Control Toolkit, go to the add, create a new file. I'm giving the name for the file. You can give for your choice. Password strength. Click on OK. So page is created. Now we need the AJAX Control Toolkit. For the adding the AJAX Control Toolkit, you can download the DLL file and you can use that one. And second option is go to your right click on your project, go to NuGet package. Here you in browse you write the AJAX Control Toolkit. AJAX Control Toolkit. There is AJAX Control Toolkit application web form using the more than 40 controls in the AJAX Control Toolkit. Click on install. It will ask you the permission preview. So AJAX Control Toolkit is added. Inside the bin you can able to see the AJAX Control Toolkit.dll file. Now I want to call the AJAX Control Toolkit. So you can call here also. Register. Then I have to call the assembly. Copying the name AJAX Control Toolkit. Namespace. Now I need the tag prefix is equal to, I'm giving here Chirag_in. Okay, so here I'm calling the assembly AJAX Control Toolkit. Now I need some CSS, and I have already those CSS, so I'm just copying that one. So style this CSS for the my text box. So this one for I'm using for the bar CSS for the bar coding, and this one for the poor strength showing, this one the strong, and this one the advanced. Okay, and we have the code. So I'm just copying the code. I need the script manager for the running AJAX Control Toolkit. So I'm taking this one. margin left auto, margin right auto. So here I'll paste the code. This is a simple code. So first I need the script manager, then password strength box one. I'm creating one box. This is a text box I'm taking. You can take the text box from the toolbox, and then here I'm calling the prefix and password strength, then password strength, and here I'm putting the control box one, and prefix text is password strength. It will show the password strength for the text box. And similarly I'm showing the password box 2. Here I'm taking one label. On that label I'm showing the password box. So here I'm giving something different. So here password length should be 8, minimum character 1, minimum lowercase 1, symbol special characters 1, and minimum upper character is 1. So this is the my condition. And previous videos we have already seen the password strength using regex. Here I'm using the uh, AJAX control toolkit. And third one is, this is a password box, this is a label, where label I'm passing, so status will be shown in label, and here minimum character 8, and here I'm showing the bar css, calling the bar css, bar indicators I'm showing here, and here I'm showing the text. So like this I'm going to show the password strength. Let me run this one. Click on view in browser. So this is password strength box 1, and I'm showing just like I'm writing something. So first this one, poor, average, at the rate, good, 1 2 3. This one is the unbreakable. I'm writing some password like this, so it will show the unbreakable. And next this one, the password box 2. Here I will show password is poor, for 8 character we need, so 4 more character. Just example, I'm writing, I'm clicking on only one character here, one more number. I'm giving the 8, so number is clear. We need the one symbol at least, so at the rate. So password strength is completed. And third box will get the bar, so 5 more character, one number, one symbol. So still we have a one number and one symbol is missing. Giving one number, so one symbol is missing, 5, it will be green. So here we can give the password strength with the text, with the bar. You can see the password. So this is the code, and code will be available with the application YouTube and with the website also. So in this video we'll learn how to use password strength using AJAX control toolkit in ASP.NET C# application. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.